Well, hello guys, I'm going to show you this little stuff here. It's a package that I received from Free Code Camp, and it's I think it's a bag that's telling me that I'm in the top 100 contributors of 2019. And this, my friends, this is real motivation for me, because this is telling me that I'm doing something right, and that pushed me to create even more content for you guys and kind of step up the game for next year. So I just wanted to do this kind of unboxing video showing you what this is. So I'm going to start right away and just rip it open, because I've been waiting for this. And we're going to see what it is inside of this package here. All right, so we have some plastic here. And here it is. A really great looking bag for my computer. Look at that. Top contributor 2019 Free Code Camp. That's great. This is awesome, because I'm going to use this right away, because we're going away on a vacation with my family after the New Year's Eve. And it's going to be good having this one for my computer. And so this is enough motivation for me to create more content for you next year. So I wanted to show you this. This is what you get when you create content. And it's in the top 100 of 2019 at Free Code Camp. So thank you, Free Code Camp, and thank you all that has supported me this year. Next year is going to be awesome. See you then.